Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the Euler's theorem. If you want to understand this Euler's theorem, we must understand that what is the Euler's Totient function that can be discussed in the last video. If you want to watch that one, go through my channel and watch the Euler's Totient function initially, then only it is easy to understand. Okay, now let us discuss about what is the Euler's theorem. Okay, so for every integer a and n which are said to be a relatively prime, then a to the power of pi of n congruent 1 mod n. That means if the given value a and n, okay, then a to the power of pi of n congruent 1 mod n, both are equal. So this is called as what is the Euler's theorem. That means you must know that how to calculate the pi of n value, that is the Euler's Totient function that can be discussed in the last video. Okay, if you want to understand that how to calculate the Totient function, let us watch my previous video to understand clearly what is that is called as Euler's Totient function. Now let us see here. So by using this formula, now we are going to identify that what is the particular value for the given equation. Now prove that the Euler's theorem hold true for a equals to 3 and n equals to 10. That means there is a two values are given. Okay, so a value and n value. Okay, in this formula now apply the what is the given values. What is the a value here? 3 and n value is 10. Okay, now first step is we are going to substitute the what are the given values a and n value. Then pi of that is called as n value become a 10. So as we know that how to calculate the Totient function of 10. Okay, take the lesser numbers of the particular n value and calculate the GCD of each and every value with n value, then we will get that pi of 10 become a 4. Okay, pi of 10 become a 4. Now we are going to substitute the that is called as pi of n value, pi of 10 value 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so how we will get that? Means that is 2 into 5, that become a 10. So now there is a simple formula here, pi of n value equals to p minus 1 into q minus 1. What is the p value here? So that is called as a 2 and q value is the 5. Okay, so now substitute the value here, 2 minus 1 and 5 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 into 5 minus 1. Okay, so what is the value 2 here? So 2 minus 1 into 4, it is a 4. So that is, so pi of n value, pi of 10 equals to 4. Just like we can calculate that what is a pi of n value here and substitute the value 3 to the power of 4 means we will get that 81. Okay, so what is the meaning here? Now if you do the division with 10, okay, for the 81, the resultant value must be a 1. Okay, if the result value is a 1, then it is a true for the given values a equals to 3 and n equals to 10. That is the Euler's theorem hold is the true for a equals to 3 and n equals to 10. Now 10, that means 10 adds the 80, the remainder is 1. That means 1 equals to 1. The theorem, therefore the Euler's theorem hold true for a equals to 3 and n equals to 10. This is the true because of the value is 1. Okay, whenever can apply the modular arithmetic for the 81 with the 10. Okay, so this is what is simple example. Let us see the one more simple example for the Euler's theorem here. Okay, now prove Euler's theorem hold true for a equals to 2 and n equals to 10. Okay, now we have only one formula here. Okay, a to the power of pi of n congruent 1 mod n. Okay, so as we know that a value is given and n value is given. Okay, a value is a 2 and n value is a 10 and n value is a 10. Now pi of 10 value already we calculated in the previous example, that is a 4. Okay, 2 to the power of 4 congruent 1 mod 10. As we know that 16, 2 to the power of become a 16. Now, so if you do that modular arithmetic, 16 divides 10, the remainder is a 6. Now it is not equals to 1. So that means now 2 and 10 are does not relatively prime because of the value get the false value for a equals to 2 and n equals to 10. That is the simple example how we will calculate that what is the relatively prime values for the given two values a comma n value by using Euler's theorem. Remember that if the remainder value or the value become a 1, then only it is a true. If the value is not equal with 1, that value cannot be considered as a true value for the given two numbers. This is called as what is a Euler's theorem. Thank you everyone.